Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of waiting for your tax returns till the end of the year? Well, I've got you covered. Today I'm going to share a secret little gem that will help you reduce your taxable income at each paycheck. As a new immigrant, it is very important for you to make smart decisions and save as much as possible. So here is the scoop. When you start a full-time job, your company calculates an estimate of the taxes you owe to the Canadian Revenue Agency by the end of the year. And here is the thrilling part. Based on that estimate, they keep a portion of the tax from your paychecks throughout the year and pays it to the CRA. Let's break it down with an example. Imagine your salary is $80,000 in Ontario. When you first started your job in January, the company estimated around $13,000, for example, for federal taxes and $6,000 for provincial taxes, and deduct that amount from your paychecks throughout the year. Now here is the interesting part. You already know that if your company has a RRSP matching option and you contribute to it, you get some tax refunds at the end of the year. The second option is, even if you are contributing to RRSP on your own, you are still getting some tax refunds at the end of the year. And that's not all. New parents do also receive some childcare expenses tax refunds at the end of the year. When it's the end of the year and you get your tax refunds, it can sometimes be a few $1,000s and you feel like you have hit a jackpot. Don't you love that moment when you suddenly receive a lot of money from CRA? But have you ever thought, what if you could receive that money even before filing your taxes? What? What? Is it possible? Yes, it is. What if you don't even have to pay the taxes for that income at all? What if instead of paying taxes and getting the returns at the end of the year, you never have to pay that taxes at the first place? Well, I felt pretty dumb when I realized that's possible to do that. So if you're not aware of these CRA forms, don't worry about it. You are not alone. Now here is the catch. You won't receive the returns at the end of the year. So if you're looking for that big payout, this is not for you. If you are thinking from that immigrant mentality that if you receive the money beforehand, you could technically invest it as soon as possible and make better returns out of it, right? Now, if you are looking to get that refund beforehand, then fill out these forms. TD1 if you don't know about it, and T1213. Now, if you are ready to increase the existing paychecks by paying overall lesser taxes, go to the links in the descriptions to find these form TD1 or T1213 and please fill them out as soon as possible. And if you need assistance on how to fill out either TD1 or T1213 forms, I will walk you through it. So please find those videos in the descriptions as well. So don't wait any longer, take control of your finances and start getting more money with each paycheck by reducing your taxable income. And as always, if you want more tips on successful investing as a new immigrant in Canada, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so I can get you new videos every week. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.